Hello my friends. This video is definitely for bird lovers. So we go to the Cibola Wildlife Refuge Headquarters, and at the headquarters they have this auto tour that you could do in your automobile, each one, and they have little pullouts, and then you can actually see the birds that are there at the Wildlife Refuge Headquarters. Now at the end, towards the end of the video, we take a hike in a, or a little walk I should say, in a trail that they have there, and it was very, very nice, very pretty. And I was wanting to see the snow geese through the whole video, or through the whole time being there. And so at the end, they start to come in, and it was so cool watching them. And they fly in, and they circle around, and they're very, very noisy, though, very vocal about it. So that is at towards the end of the video. And also, I go and explore the campground that happens to be across from the headquarters. So anybody who wants to come and camp there and be closer to the birds and the headquarters, you could do that. So they have boondocking right across from it. So stay tuned for that at the end of the video, okay? All right, so I hope you enjoy our little day trip as we went and explored that area. Cibola Wildlife Refuge, and there is an auto tour. So there's the entrance, the tour loop, and hours are half hour before sunrise and a half hour after sunset. And here we go.
Drones prohibited.
Drones prohibited. So I'm on, so it's Goose Loop Road. No hunting. Oops, see what's out here. Alright, so this is the pond that all the birds come to and hang out. I don't know if they let us get out of the vehicle, but I hope to at least take some pictures out there. Alright, you can't get out of your vehicle, so I'm trying to get this from my wing door. Look at them all. Milo hears them. Don't you love the sound of birds? This is cool. Okay, these are cranes. I almost thought they were snow geese, but nope, they're cranes. Okay, the road takes us kind of like a big square around the fields, and so now we're on the other side of those trees that I'm looking at, and then we can see the cranes better. There they are. They're all just talking to each other. And so many. We still didn't see any snow geese, but we're still looking. We're going to go do a nature trail, and then that's it. We've seen it all. But it's pretty warm right now, as we're above temperatures for this time of year, so I don't know. Maybe some birds are confused. They've already gone north. Okay, we'll see what the nature trail looks like. Nature trail, and it's pretty cool in through here. And they have benches all throughout it. Like there's a cool one back there. You could sit in here and listen to the birds. And there's one up ahead of us. Right there. I'm going to walk and see what else we see, but all the birds are behind us. Okay, there's the observation deck. We're going to go check it out. Okay, so here's the observation deck, and there's little peepholes there that you have to look through or film through. There's Kent trying to take pictures through it. Here we go. This is the back part of the pond, or lake I should say, that they get to swim in. Pretty cool. And again, this is on the nature trail. Look at this. He says there's snow geese coming in. There they are. I can see the light behind the bushes there. See it? All the light. Right there. All the white birds. Snow geese. Yeah, they're coming into land. There they go, coming in. We let everybody know they're here. Pretty cool. Oh, we said that's cool. Everything's cool. Wow, what a view. with the mountains behind. And then coming in like that. Wow. Spectacular. So amazing. But some are coming in and some are leaving. There they go. Huh. So the other ones come in and these are leaving. That's interesting. Maybe they don't like to share. Sorry, I couldn't resist that. I'm to come back to that pond and the entrance because of the snow geese coming in, and we both really wanted to see them. So they're kind of the splashes of white that are out there. Aren't they beautiful? And that's the headquarters, the Cibola Wildlife Refuge Headquarters. It's getting dark. The thing I want to point out is right across from the headquarters is camping, free camping. If you want to just stay closer to the headquarters and where the birds are at, you can camp right across this road. You'll see some campers out there already. But we're further down, about almost 3.5 miles or so, closer to the Colorado River. And there's boondocking out there too as well. Okay. And this is the road coming into where the boondocking is across from the headquarters. And it's a pretty decent road getting in, and beautiful mountain views. But it's getting dark, so I won't be able to film too much here. We're just checking it out for just a tiny bit here. Okay, so that's the headquarters out there, and then this is the boondocking and beautiful mountain views. But again, it is getting dark. I hope this comes out. There's a sunset going on out there. Beautiful. And then you could just pick your camping spot. Free boondocking. In fact, there's a little fire pit right over there. Alright. Now, I'll go ahead and end this video. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Pretty cool out here. Beautiful.